Hi, it's your friend Heft again, and welcome to my AI playground. Now, I'm making this video particularly based on a request I got from one of my subscribers asking me how to add auto captions to your videos. Okay, so in case you don't understand what auto caption is, if you look at this video you're watching right now, you notice that what I am saying is actually reflecting on the screen. It's subtitle. Okay, don't forget that you have to like, share, you have to drop a comment. That is how you support us to grow and to do more for you. Come with me, let me show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is to download CapCut. If you don't already have CapCut, I have CapCut in my phone, so I don't have to download again. When you have downloaded, you put your video and play. You want to increase the sound of your video to make sure that the audio comes out well. Mine is already increased. Then you want to reduce noise rather. So you just scroll down here and select this, and now the noise will be reduced. The next thing you want to do is to click on this double arrow back here, click on auto captions. You see several options here. Because I'm using a premium version of CapCut, you see I have so many templates to work with, so many beautiful templates. But if you don't have the premium version, you still have some options that you can work with. So after I select my language and where I want the subtitle to be generated from, I just go ahead and click generate and then wait for it to generate. So in a few minutes I already have my Now, one good thing is that you can always adjust by clicking on edit caption here. You can always adjust, supposing it doesn't give you exactly what you expected or there are some slight spelling errors. You can always adjust. So let's just go back and change the style to something more beautiful. So I'll just go ahead and click on style. Then there are styles there. I think this is lovely. I want to try this on.
It's your friend Heft again.
Okay, this is lovely.
Hi, it's your friend Heft again, and welcome to my AI playground. Now, I'm making this video particularly based on a request I got from one of my subscribers asking me how to add auto captions to.
Okay, so if this is cool, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything else you would want me to make a video about, feel free to also let me know. I'm at your service. Don't forget to like, to share, and to drop a comment. That's exactly how you will help us grow. Thank you. See you in the next one.